Okay. So the first, in place of Lucha Libre, which fits into um my like American or like modernized taco shops. Like you have this group of taco shops that are like, this is truly just like a hole in the wall, moved from Mexico and got a space for rent and just started making food. Like that's the whole, arc. And then you have like kind of branded or cool, like trendy, kind of Americanized ones. And so Lucha Libre is a really good one. The next one that I actually like, which is technically now a chain because they have multiple locations, is the taco stand. Have any of you been to
Yeah.
the taco stand? It's
Oh,
like
I
red
love
and
taco
white.
stand.
Taco
Yeah,
stand's
Their
great.
El Pastor tacos. Oh my gosh.
it's super
Yeah.
good. Yeah,
You know,
I'm not really a taco guy, but they have really great burritos too, honestly.
Mm.
their most surprising thing actually is their nopales tacos. Have you had
What is
those?
that?
Cactus. It's a cactus taco.
Oh, crazy.
And it's super cool because they also have really good fish tacos. I think are they the ones that put strawberry on their fish taco, or is that City Tacos? I think
Yep.
that's City
I
Tacos.
I don't. Yeah, I think it is city tacos, which I'm not a
I,
giant fan of.
Either way, both of them have good fish tacos, and you could get all of their like meat, all of their meat tacos from the taco stand, and then have a nopales taco in there somewhere just to kind of make a cut for your palate. Divine.
Um, so the taco stand is fantastic. It's like my pick for I have someone who's coming into town that is not familiar with this world of like dirty hole in the wall taco shops, and I think that they would prefer something different, but still really good and pretty close to like hole in the wall, and so I would take them there. But if I have someone who's like, take me to like the real deal, I might go to a place called El Patron, which is in Mira Mesa, where I
Hmm.
lived in San Diego for a good period of time. Granted, I haven't been there in like several years. I used to live over there, so I go there all the time. And they have a California burrito and like a California surf and turf burrito that I'm not kidding is like bigger than your arm. It's massive. It is like a gigantic burrito.
Awesome.
It's really good. Yeah, and they are just really great. So that's my like hole in the wall place that I would go if I could pick one place that just like survived the Holocaust of Mexican taco shops, it would be that place. Um, I really like that one. Um, I also want to give an honorable mention, okay, just to my history and our history as Corey and I grew up together somewhat. That when we were in high school, we would probably at least 2-3 times a week, me and Corey and a myriad of other high school friends go to a very special place called Juan Bertos that is gone.
Juan Bertos.
It
It
is
is
gone.
gone.
And
R.I.P.
it was, if it was still around, I would just delete the whole list and just say, just go to Juan Bertos. And it's
Yeah.
that good. Um,
Machos too. Machos is still around, but there was something
Is it the
special about
same?
Juan Bertos with their salsa and just getting like not even like a real Mexican burrito, but just getting like a bacon breakfast burrito for some reason. Just like hit like no other.
and they give you
I
the
think-
bottles of sauce, of hot
Yeah,
sauce instead of
just-
the cups.
Yeah.
And you're just like, oh,